How's my hair look? Do I look like Lilith from Frasier? This is cleaning up so easily with just our alkaline soap and this scrubber. So watch this. You can zoom in, Diana.
Okay.
Okay.
So all I have done is sprayed the tile and scrubbed the grout lines, and then I wanted to show you guys that just with our chemistry, the soap, and the scrub brush, I can scrub the dirt off the top of the tile. And then we're going to need some kind of a rinse extraction to pick this all up. So that's what we're doing here, is rinsing the floor and then extracting all of that dirt out. So there's fresh water being put down and it's all being sucked up out the hose and into the trailer. Here's a shot I took during the cleaning, so you can see the bottom half is dirty and the top half is clean. And a side-by-side comparison, left is dirty, right is clean. You can see that there's no longer a traffic pattern.
So this could be your tile, guys. If you need to call us and get it cleaned, 602-826-2059.